This is Coyote's new excavator, the MX350. It's very similar to a Kubota KXO33 for those of you that are familiar with those. It's a nice little machine. It's a little smaller than the 57 series that they had and we just made a video of recently. I like it so far. It's, like I said, almost perfect copy of an 033 with the exception of the engine and some of the hydraulic components. It's got all the creature comforts you could ask for. All your HVAC controls are right here, right next to your joystick. And then your radio is right above your head back there. And your heads-up display is that little panel right there. It's an excellent machine. Hydraulic tank on this side, same as the larger series. Valve bodies, radiator, engine, air filter, everything else you could ask for. But she's an excavator.